As Air France 4590 lined up for takeoff, it was grossly overweight due to extra baggage put on. It had a full load of fuel instead of 80%, and to compensate, the pilot has elected to use the overrun for takeoff, which was not in use. At this point, it strikes the ledge created by the overrun construction, and the left main landing gear is damaged. At this point, the tires burst and catch on fire. Due to a landing gear malfunction, it slews to the left. The pilot's struggling to keep it on the runway, and there it hits a runway light, causing a puncture of the fuel. Now the fuel is burning. The aircraft's airborne, grossly overweight, and with the fuel shifting the aft center of gravity further to the back, the aircraft then stalls and crashes. To learn more details of the crash of Air France 4590, please click the link provided below.